Today it's Earth Day. I have a presentation ready right now. Here's my presentation where we said it at the beginning. Now we are gonna do it.
Ways to help the Earth to be safe. By Kai Dong. We live on the Earth, so we got be responsible on the Earth. Just like at our home. We take care of it, or else we would not have a home. Same thing with our Earth where we live on. We have one Earth, so we got to help Mother Nature's animals and the water and more. For example, fishes, whales, sharks, sloths, geese, lions, blue jays, robins, hummingbirds. Are you going to help me clean the park? I am, because I'm dancing and cleaning at the same time. A list of ways to help. We can make the Earth healthy by planting more plants for air, saving water and electricity, cleaning the neighborhood, stop cutting the trees, driving less, walking more, taking bike, scooter more, doing less pollution, stop throwing garbage on the street and in the water, helping Mother Nature's animals, using dead or broken pieces from plants, for example, stop breaking branches from trees, reduce, reuse and recycle. People from all around the world uses things that people can recycle. But it does not really goes in that perfect. It is because some does not have the color bins or listen to the color bins correctly and does not care and just throw it on the ground without thinking to pick it up. So we got to be careful when we throw things away. Bye bye. I hope you like the story. Smiling face with sunglasses, starstruck zipper mouth face, money mouth face, pleading face, and do not forget the tips you learned in the book called Ways to Help the Earth to be Safe.
Today I'm also gonna help my little sister Hoytlin in junior kindergarten for her Earth Day experiment and how to put all of these items in these recyclable boxes. Now we're gonna start with my little sister is gonna find all the black bin items, and my other sister is gonna put in the green compost green bin. Now I'm gonna correct all the items they put. An apple left over, correct. Goldfish left over. Dead leaves, okay. Pumpkin. An avocado. And a banana. This is 100%. Now let's go to the next one. We got a carton, a piece of paper, and another cardboard. This is another 100%. And now let's go to this one. Plastic, good. Another plastic bottle, a piece of block. Yep, metal, a plastic. Oh wow, hard plastic. This is also 100%. So all of these 3 boxes are correct. You got 100%. High five. So you got it 100%. And
Bye bye.
see you soon.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.